Hi, I'm Tracy Colors on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this segment, I'll show you how to take care of a blister. In most cases, you don't want to have to pop a blister, but if it becomes too painful or if it's in an awkward location, then you may want to, and I'll show you how to do that. First of all, put on gloves so that you don't encounter any body fluids. Next, you want to take a sewing needle or a safety pin and sterilize it with either a flame from a match or an alcohol. So I'll show you that right now. We're going to sterilize it with this alcohol wipe. You can also do it with a match and then let it cool down. You're going to take the pin and go along the side of the blister and carefully make a puncture into it. You don't want to take the roof of the blister off. The roof is the natural way to protect the skin area, and you'll cause more damage if you take the roof of the blister off. As it's draining, you'll want to use sterile gauze to get it dry, and then a Band-Aid. And cover up the blistered area. Keep it covered and moist. As it becomes wet, again, then change the dressing. That's how you take care of a blister.